Hello friends, good evening and welcome to Sam Miniatures. After a long time I am giving another model car review, and this time it's Mercedes Benz S600 W140 1991 model by Norev in 1:18 scale. That means this model is S-Class. Well, this car was extremely popular around the world even today. I like this model very much due to its aristocratic looks, and Norev excellently reproduced this model in 1:18 scale. So let's start the review. Let's start with the front. In the front you can see the lights are extremely detailed. Well, the flash is very much here. You can see the lights, the defrosters, the beautifully applied indicator, orange color indicator, and wipers over there to wash out this light. Well, it has got a number plate of GV1296. I don't know. A beautiful Mercedes Benz logo, very fine. And this fine mesh grills, you can see the fine mesh grills over there, although these are not perforated. You can see there's no perforation in this part. Well, in this part you can see a perforation over there. These are all parking sensors. This is also perforated. Very well done. And all over the chrome, you can see the chrome part over here. Separately applied windshield wipers. I like this color very much, this green color. In the wheels, let's see the wheels. The wheels are covered. You cannot see much of the brake disc, brake calipers, etc. Beautiful tiny Mercedes logo. This indicator separately applied. You can see that. A beautiful chrome part throughout the body. Here is written V12, that means the engine. It's a V12 engine. This side mirror definitely not foldable. There is no gap in the doors. All are in line. Again, this part is chromed. Well, I think this above section is die cast, and this lower part, the mudguard part, is made up of hard plastic. This is not die cast. This above part is die cast. It's a good feature. Well, in the back you can again see the lights are accurately done with brake lights, back lights, along with there is written S600 with beautiful Mercedes Benz logo. Again, the number plate. These are all lights. You can see the braking or parking sensor, two exhausts over there. Again, I am showing you the above part. You can see there is a light, is a brake light. All the parts are accurately done. Again, this fuel cap or fuel tank cannot be opened. This model is so much detailed. Stay tuned. I will show you the interior of the model, and also there will be some pictures in the end of the video to show you the details of the interior. Stay tuned. So let's start with the interior. First, I will show you the front of the bonnet. You can see some nicely detailed part, some parts over here, the engine, the V12 engine with Mercedes Benz written over here. Some separately applied whites, all the whites over there. There is no stickers, unfortunately there is no stickers. Here will be some stickers over there. And you can see the engine has depth. You can see the engine has some beautiful depth, all the parts. Now let's look at the interior. In the interior you can see a beautiful part, the steering wheel, the above, the seats. In the back you can again see the separately applied seat belts, the real vents. Again in the back, the boot is very much big and it has got maximum space, all the carpeted boot. And here you can see there is a sign over here, a road sign above the boot. From this side I am also trying to show you the interior part. All the floors overall carpeted. You can see, as it's an old model, there is no computerized screen or LCD screen like that. In the doors, I will now show you the doors. Let's see the doors. In the doors there is a beautiful wood trim with speakers and some parts. The chrome part. Again in the front door you can see some beautiful detailed parts. In the roof you can see some highlighted parts with sun visors. The sunroof has no part, you can see it's not in glass or like that. It has got a beautiful suspension. You can see a beautiful both sides suspension over there. Now let's look at the bottom of the model. Well, this part is basically detailed. It's written Norev, Mercedes Benz S class. The exhaust, some highlighted parts, and some nice amount of details over there. So it's a nice model from Norev. I decided to collect it as this model was very famous and even today it has an apple. So you can collect this. I particularly collect models with light colored interior. This has got a beige interior and so I decided to choose this. Thank you very much for watching. Good night.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, Casamigos to the face, baby I